Do you know that you can be making money from YouTube, Facebook, and other social media platforms just with one content? So what I'm about to show you today is, if you're a YouTube creator and you are posting your videos only on YouTube, there is a very big possibility that you are leaving tons of money on the table. So I want to quickly show you how to post your videos on other platforms and equally make money. So today I'm going to be showing you my Facebook, my TikTok, and another platform that I'm using apart from YouTube. So now, first of all, let's talk about YouTube. You guys know about YouTube already, and the criteria to meet, that is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. If you want to learn more about YouTube, you can just visit this my channel and watch my videos. I've been talking about YouTube, but today I want to dive into other social media platforms so that you will understand that you can make money with one content, and you'll be using it. You post on Facebook, post on TikTok, post on YouTube, and be making money. So let me show you something. Now I want to be showing you my Facebook page. So this is my Facebook page. If you watch, you will see Jazzy Nation. This page has 81,000 followers. So this page used to have like 90,000 plus followers until I stopped posting on this particular page. So I was making a lot of money with this page before. This page got monetized in 2022, and since then I've been making money with it. But recently the page got demonetized because I was trying to change the location. The time I opened this page is when Facebook have not started monetizing Nigerians. So then we are monetizing from people that are abroad. You will make them admin, they will be posting for you. I don't know, most of you know the story, but immediately Facebook starts monetizing Nigerians, I have to make myself an admin, and that is how I lost my monetization for this page. So now I want to show you something. So this is the page I single-handedly grew from small views to start having millions of views. Look at my most viewed video here, 7.6 million views. You can check this page out. Now these are my views, 300 and something k, 2 million views. So I post on YouTube and equally post on Facebook 2022 2023. But this year I have created a new page. I want to start afresh, and I want to walk you guys through on the journey. I want us to grow the page together. If you're a content creator, even if you post only on YouTube, there is no problem, but you can crop out some section of your videos and equally post on your Facebook page, and when you get monetized, you'll be making money from Facebook too. I'll be showing you guys the step-by-step process on how I'm going to grow this new page. Let me show you something. First of all, look at my new page. This is the new page I created. So this page has just 9 followers. Let me show you something. I created this page July 19th, last month. I've posted a couple of contents here, and I'm going to post more. But why I want to show you the page first is for you to see it. So if you are here now and you are on Facebook, just go to my page and search Jazzy Nation. You will see the new page. Just follow the page. Go to the comment section of the first video and type "I am from Jazzy Studios YouTube" after following the page. So now this is for Facebook. I know everything about Facebook and how Facebook works. Meta is trying to update content monetization. That content monetization simply means that you can make money from your videos, from article, from pictures, even from stories. I don't know if you're getting me. So that is what Facebook wants to update now. Even if you're a writer, you can make money. Even if you love posting pictures, you can make money. Even if you love creating videos, you can equally make money. So this is the best time and the perfect time to equally be looking into Facebook, So with time, I'm going to make a comprehensive video on how to post videos on Facebook. But for now, I am still growing this page, as you can see. So if you want to join me on this journey, there is no problem. Go ahead and create a Facebook page and also get started, so that if I'm dropping a new update and the new development, you will be seeing it. And equally follow the page, because there are some things I cannot post on YouTube, but I can just say it on that page. That is for Facebook. Let us go to my TikTok account. As a content creator or a business owner, this platform is what you need right now. Mainstack is a powerful tool that helps you sell your digital products online. With Mainstack, you can sell your digital products, write invoice, and sell your courses online, and you can sell it globally, which means anybody from any country can purchase your product through Mainstack. Once you sign up on Mainstack, you can create your own custom link that can lead to your Mainstack profile. In that your profile, you can add the links to all your social media handles like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Someone can follow you across all your social media just with one platform. Mainstack can equally let you to customize your storefront and add the products you want to be selling online. When someone visits your storefront, they can select the products or services they want to purchase from you, and they can make payments. And the most interesting part of it is that you can be paid in over 135 currencies across the globe. Anyone can purchase your products and pay you, and you will start making money instantly. Go to the description of this video and use my referral link to sign up on Mainstack. If you register with my link, there is a bonus for you. Speaking of referral, you can equally join their refer and earn program, and anybody that registers through your link, you are going to receive 30% commission. With Mainstack, managing your business and your brand is not going to be difficult for you because everything you are looking for is in one platform. Go ahead now and click on my referral link and register with Mainstack, so you will be able to sell your digital products, and someone can even book you through Mainstack, and you can equally write invoice through Mainstack. Everything just in one platform. Please don't sleep on this. Go ahead and register now. So this is my first TikTok account. If you watch, you will see the kind of views I was having here. Here I have 14 point something K followers, So this is when I was very, very deeply into entertainment videos, So this is my TikTok, and I was having views. I went viral at that time, but I have to quit this particular TikTok account and they created a new one. Do you know why? This is a Nigerian account, So when I got the info that the Nigerian accounts are not paying, you have to get a UK account, I have to leave this account immediately and they create a new one. Because in as much as I love content creation, I equally want to make money from it. So all these updates is what I'm going to bring to you, and I'm going to break everything down for you. So that is why I decided to make this video comprehensively, for you to understand that aside YouTube, you can equally make money from other social media platforms with one content. That particular content you are posting on YouTube, you can equally post it on other social media platforms and you will make money. These platforms are monetized, but you just need the right information, and that is what I just brought to your desk. For you to get a UK account, if you have somebody abroad, you can just tell them to open a TikTok for you, and that's it. Facebook has extended monetization to Nigeria, which means you can equally make money from your Facebook. So all these things, I'm going to be making separate videos about them. Just the way I broke YouTube down, I'm going to break social media down for you bit by bit. So I want to show you right now my new TikTok account, so you will see it and see how many followers I have there, just the way I showed you Facebook. I want to apply my social media strategies to this new account, and if I'm posting and making progress, I will be sharing you the progress here, so you equally apply it on your own, so all of us will grow together. That is why I am making this video. So now let me show you my new TikTok account. As you can see, this is my newly created TikTok account. I have 1.3k followers here. I'm still growing it. If you watch, you will see what I'm posting here. I've been posting video. My highest video here is 19k views. So I want to take social media monetization also serious, the way I took YouTube serious. Why I want to walk you through on this my journey is for you to understand the importance of growing organically. I didn't keep the record of this my particular channel when I have like 200 subscribers. If not, I would have displayed everything on my screen for you to see how I grew this particular channel from small subscribers. Now I want to show the evidence with my social media. I have created the new Facebook page and the new TikTok account. My TikTok has 1,000 followers and the new Facebook has 9 followers. So do well to check the description of this video or my channel description. You will see the links to all my social media handles. You can follow me anywhere: Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. The reason why I'm doing it is for me to build more connection with my audience and equally enlighten you that you can use one content and make money from YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and now use Mainstack to chain everything, so that whenever you want to send somebody your portfolio, you just need to send your Mainstack link. The person can go through it, follow you on all social media platforms, and equally buy your products. If you're somebody that offer one-on-one consultation, the person can consult you and equally book a session through that Mainstack. So that particular software is very, very powerful. So hop on it real quick. So social media is paying, but you need to have the right information. Get a UK TikTok, open a Facebook page, and start from zero follow. People that are seeing me for the first time, my name is Jazzy. I am a creator for the creators. I am here to make content creation easy for you. That is why I am here, and everything I am showing you with practical for you to see that it is actually working. From now henceforth, I will be talking about social media, how to upload, how to get views, and once I'm seeing progress, I will equally be sharing with you here on YouTube and in my social media platforms. So do well to follow me, so you'll be getting all the information. Thank you so much. If this content interests you, kindly subscribe to my channel, and then I'm going to see you on my next video.